Hello and welcome, everyone. Thank you for visiting the AutoCAD electrical training course on my channel Tech N. In this video, we discuss about creating an A3 sheet size custom template with proper referencing and XY grid setup. If you don't want to miss out any step, watch this video to the end. Subscribe to Tech N and click the bell icon to be notified about the latest videos. So, let us begin. Open AutoCAD Electrical 2021. Click on the Start Drawing button on Welcome screen. Click on ACAD_electrical_IEC.DWT drawing template. Now disable the grid mode and snap mode by pressing F7 and F9 keys on keyboard respectively. Now press Ctrl+A to select the open drawing template completely and press Delete button on keyboard to delete the drawing. Now we want to create a rectangle box of A3 sheet size, which is 420 mm by 297 mm. For this purpose, write rectangle in command window or press the rectangle icon under Home tab. Now click anywhere in the drawing area and press D and then press Enter to give dimensions of rectangle. First we need to type the length of rectangle, which is 420 mm. Just type 420 and press Enter in the command window because default units are in millimeter, therefore, we don't need to type them. Similarly, type 297 as width of the rectangle. We have created an A3 sheet size rectangle. Now the next step is to move this rectangle to origin, so that we can give proper reference to the schematic components in the drawings. To do this, we select this rectangle and type M to enable the Move command. Now click on the bottom left corner of the rectangle, type 0, 0 and press Enter to move this rectangle to origin. Now we use Offset command to create another rectangle inside this rectangle. To do this, type Offset in command window. This will ask for the offset distance. We type 5 as offset distance and press Enter. Now select the rectangle and click inside this rectangle to create the required offset. Next step is create a referencing XY grid to locate the exact positions of schematic components in drawing. To do so, we click on Schematic tab in ribbon. Go to the Insert Wires, Wire Numbers option and click on XY Grid Setup. This opens the XY Grid Setup dialog box. Here, first step is to locate the origin. Click on Pick button and then click the top left corner of the smaller rectangle. This act has automatically written 5 and 292 in X and Y positions. Now the second step here is to give grid spacing horizontally and vertically. We want to create 10 divisions of horizontally as well as vertically. So we type 41 before horizontal and 28.7 before vertical. Because the dimension of smaller rectangle is 410 mm by 287 mm. Next step is select the XY format. We select horizontal vertical format. Next step is to type the labels we want to display on the grid. So we type 0 before horizontal and A before vertical. Now click on Insert XY Grid Labels and type 10 in front of horizontal count as well as vertical count. Now click on OK button. We can see that the XY grid with label has been created in the A3 sheet. We can save this A3 sheet as a template drawing to use it at later stages. Similarly, we can create sheets in different sizes as per our requirement. That is all for today. Don't forget to subscribe TechN. Also press bell icon to be notified about the latest updates. Goodbye.